Well, this is part 4 of Lab 6, and we're supposed to make the speaking chatbot. And I have 3 meaningful choices for the user for the chatbot to help the user. So for this part of the lab, I added a option for the user to go into a browser, and as well as
Good evening, my name is Spartan. Version 1.00. How can I help you, user?
Yeah, so that's just the code working. And yeah, so as I was saying, I added a option to go into a browser. The web browser is Google, and also open this music platform, Spotify, as well as do some calculations in the chatbot. So if we type Spotify,
Opening Spotify, user.
should open Spotify, and this is the music streaming service. And if we type Google, it will open Google. And if we type calculate,
tell me your math expression.
It's going to ask us for the math expression, and say I want 5 plus 275.
The result is 280.
Yeah, it gives you the result. So how we did this was we just added another else if statement for the take command code, and if the user inputs this specific word, so in this case, if it says Spotify, it will open up the Spotify in your system, and if the user types Google, it will open the browser, and if the user types calculate, then it will calculate any of the math expressions inputted by the user. There's also other things like weather and yeah, you can ask it to motivate.
Sometimes later becomes never.
And
do it now. User, I believe you. You have made me.
It will run some of these speaking lists. There's a list for sorry, and then some comic, and yeah, that's pretty much all for this part of the lab.